Today we're going to tour my daughter's house. She's got it decorated. Their yard lights up at night, but we're not going to show that. But this is as you enter. I will show this cute little lamp over here. So adorable. And then this is the entry to the house. She's got it decorated really cute. An old ladder. And there's her door. Let's see if we can get the shade into it. Go in. This is right when you enter in her living room. I love that little post that's there, and you can use that all year round and decorate it to the seasons or hang coats on it. Here's some of her regular decor mixed in with Christmas using a frame. So cute. And I love the bar, the rod above. She got that at Rod Works, the picture. Here's something. Her bird cages are down here. It's on a trumpet case that is her husband's. And then I wanted to show this in the hallway. She's got the artwork of her children, which is really cute. Hanging. She tends to use frames around everything. In fact, I'm going to walk down here, and here's another thing that some decals on there, but I wanted to show this frame, if I can. She put it around some pictures, made it cute. So we're going to walk down the hall again, and she has two fireplaces opposite of each other, one on each side. So two mantles, two fireplaces. Love the lamp. And she has that all year, but it looks Christmassy. And here is her mantle. And then the stockings are hung by the fireplace. I think that stocking holder was from Ikea. And then I love the lamp that it's high. I think she has it on a box or something. Coming down here. She loves Joanna Gaines, so she's got a subscription to her magazine. And we're coming around here. Little manger scene with some greenery. And I'm going to try to get a wide angle of the mirror above her couch. This is her couch. And then around to the Christmas tree. She got the ornaments from her husband's parents this year. They're beautiful, gorgeous ornaments. Just amazing and really pretty. I love the branch things that are sticking in there, the swigs. She's got a little Christmas tree over here. There it is. A sign. She does a lot with books and height. So she has her lamp on some wood cut. Here's some more little trees. And these. This is an adorable sign. Now we're going to walk into the other room, the family room, dining room. She has a cute entry, and she can put things way high that are cute and adorable. The brick on the fireplace is wallpaper. So what a cute idea. She's got these wood shutters on both sides. And we're gonna come over here. And this is her china closet. She loves stars, so she has that all year. So some Christmas items inside, plates inside her china this year. And this is an adorable area. She tends to use wooden pallets. So I think that is so cute too. And here's a sign above. Home sweet home. She's got a rooster up there, a little Christmas sign, and this is really old. It was mine, her mother's, and we used it when she was a child. So you move the mouse every day. Uh-oh, it hadn't been moved today. Whoa. And then I love this idea too, that she's got basically curtain rods and hangs things that her children have made. So cute. I'll show how it sticks out. And then she has space to hang that. Her chicken clock. And up here, she has a chalkboard paint. So they change it from time to time. I also wanted to show the coffee bar that's adorable. I have coffee and tea, Keurig, and that is so cute. She does have some Christmas things on her window, but I'm not sure they're going to show up. Let's see, because of the light. There. And I'm going to bring it over here. This is probably hard to see, but just Christmas everywhere. This is so cute, this little snowman. So we're going to come back around over. Oh, I wanted to point this out. Here's a wide view of the other side of the fireplace. And she thrifted this. It has no wires. the wires were either taken out, I think they were taken out, and then she can decorate it seasonally. So she could put candles in there or whatever. It's so cute. I want to get a wide view. This is her farm table, and she has different chairs. This is because she has a special needs daughter that hits the wall when it goes back. So we had to put bumper. She did. So this is her farm table, and she has different chairs around her farm table. Fits really well in this area. I'm going to move over here. Of course, every day they eat a chocolate till Christmas, and here's some more Christmas things. Love her scale. So cute. And we're going to walk over here. Her and her son, I believe, made a gingerbread house from Pop-Tarts. So this is a real cute area. And I really like her little baskets hanging there. Maybe I'll come close. On a pulley. Let's go up. She also has stuff above her cabinets. These curtains are unique because they're a valance, but only one side has a curtain on the side. So, and this is her little sitting area with a lamp from Costco. And then this tall tree, so cute. And they made it even more high by putting it on a table. So that's where they got the height. Over here is an adorable little school desk. And here's a little table and area. And this is the other side of the fireplace. So this is what this mantle looks like. You can see into the other room where we've been. Go up. And then I wanted to point this out. I love this idea. She has games just, out, but it makes them so available so that the kids can come and pick a game and they can play games as a family. And I really like that space. I'm going to go up high. I'll come back down to the game area. So cute. And I'm going to go down a little lower on the fireplace. One of her favorite pieces, she loves that birdhouse. So, and you can see through the fireplace to the other side. That's the nature of that fireplace. Here's a little cuteness going on here. So, I don't know if I got a shot of this from far. She got those wood pieces from Texas, I believe, at a place that salvages things. So she did that. And I think we are about done. Maybe just an overview of this room. So pretty. And I'm going to turn around and do an overview of this room. There's a lot of light from the curtains, but you can see what that looks like. And that's probably it. I'm going to focus on this one more time. Such a cute idea.